Hi, I am Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll show you how to build an AI agent for lead qualification in n8n. Most people building automations start with a cron job. Every 15 minutes, check if something changed. Every hour, poll the API. And it works until you're running it 96 times a day just to catch the one moment something actually happened. Production systems don't poll, they react. Something happens, a form gets submitted, a payment clears, a row gets updated, and the automation fires the instant it happens, not on the next scheduled check. That's the whole idea behind event-driven systems, and it's what we're building in this section. An event source is anything that can tell your automation something just happened. There are three you'll use constantly. 1. Webhooks, the most universal event source there is. Any tool that can send an HTTP request, which is basically every modern tool, can ping your workflow the second something happens. Website forms, payment processors, chat platforms, if it has a webhook option, you don't need to poll it ever. 2. App triggers. These are the pre-built app-specific version of a webhook. Instead of you configuring a raw webhook URL, the app node itself listens for you. A new typeform submission, a new Calendly booking, a new Stripe charge. Same underlying idea, less setup. 3. Database updates. When the event isn't someone submitted a form but a row changed, a status flipped, a new record got inserted, you listen at the database layer. Airtable, Postgres, Google Sheets all have trigger nodes that watch for row level changes and fire the moment they happen. Here's the thing I want you to take away. All three of these are interchangeable at the front of your pipeline. Whatever fires the event, everything downstream, the processing, the logic, the alerts, stays exactly the same. You're not rebuilding your automation for every new event source. You're just plugging a different trigger into the same pipe. Let's make this concrete with the pipeline we are building today. Website form to webhook to AI analysis to CRM entry to Slack alert. Walk through it with me. Someone fills out a form on your website. That submission fires a webhook, the event source. AI analyzes the message, scores the lead, detects intent and urgency, then logs everything into your CRM. And only if the lead is hot, your team gets alerted. No spreadsheet checking, no polling every 10 minutes. One form submission triggers the whole pipeline in seconds. And notice the filtering at the end. Not every event deserves a notification. Every lead gets logged, only the hot ones interrupt a human. That distinction is what separates a genuinely useful automation from one that just adds noise. Let's build this live. I've already got the JSON ready to import. You'll have it too. So let's walk through what's actually happening node by node. The webhook, this is our event source, webhook-website lead form. It's listening on a post endpoint. Copy this production URL, and that's what you'd point your actual website form at. The moment a submission lands here, the workflow wakes up. For this demo, I've pinned two sample submissions on this node, a hot lead and a cold one, so we can see both outcomes without waiting on a real form. AI Analyze Lead takes the name, email, company, and message and returns a structured judgment, a lead score out of 10, the intent behind the message, urgency, and a one-line summary a salesperson can skim in 2 seconds. That raw AI output gets cleaned up in code-parse lead analysis, which pulls the original form fields back in and normalizes everything into one flat object: timestamp, name, email, company, message, lead score, intent, urgency, summary. I'll trigger a test run now and show you the actual output live. CRM entry. Every single lead, hot or not, gets logged to Google Sheets. In Sheets, add CRM entry. This is our system of record. Nothing gets lost, even the leads that don't go anywhere. The filter. If hot lead checks, is this lead score 7 or higher? If yes, it goes to Slack. Hot lead alert, real-time ping to the all n8n automations channel with the lead's name, company, and that AI written summary. If no, nothing happens. No Slack message, no interruption. It's already sitting safely in the CRM sheet for whenever someone gets to it. One thing worth pointing out in the Slack node, instead of pulling name, company, summary, and urgency off the sheet's output, it reaches back and reads them straight from code parse lead analysis. That's a handy pattern. Anytime a downstream node's output doesn't carry every field you need forward, you're not stuck with whatever the last node returned. You can always reach back to an earlier node by name. That's event-driven automation. One event source, a clean pipeline, and a filter at the end, so only what matters actually reaches a human. If you want to keep building AI systems like this one, come join the free Skool community, links below. I share free n8n automations, step-by-step setup guides, and the actual JSON file for every workflow I post a video on, including this. See you in the next one.